What if I show you something that can help you to grow long, thick, and healthy hair in a short period of time? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple hair growth treatment you can use on your hair. Keep watching and enjoy the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I will be showing you how to prepare a hair treatment that you can use. This treatment is strengthening, hydrating, and softening. It helps to strengthen the hair because it contains ingredients like fenugreek seeds, which help to support the strength of the hair from root to tip. The fenugreek seeds contain protein, which helps to strengthen the hair and prevent it from breakage. So if you experience breakage and you would want to strengthen your hair, then you definitely need to start including fenugreek seeds to your hair care regimen. So I just added 2 tablespoons, and the next ingredient we have is flaxseed. Flaxseed is amazing because they contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help to support the health of our hair. So using flaxseed to your hair will help to not only provide health of your hair, but also help to thicken your hair naturally and help also to add shine. So flaxseed is really helpful. You need to start adding them to your hair care routine and you will experience a great change. So I'm just adding 2 tablespoons as well. You can just use any measurement of your choice. The next ingredient we have is hibiscus. Hibiscus are really amazing. I just love them because I have been including them to my hair care routine, and my hair has really retained length, and also the health is amazing. Hibiscus help to uh, strengthen the hair. They also help to prevent hair loss and breakage, and also help to treat hair problems like alopecia and bald spots. They have been used for centuries to treat chronic hair loss, baldness, and alopecia. So if you have any of these problems, you can start using them and you will see how your hair will change drastically. So right now I'm just adding some water. Any amount of water will be okay depending on the amount of the treatment you want to make. And now I transferred them to a stove and I'm going to let them simmer for about 10 minutes. Do not cook it for more than 10 minutes because you will end up destroying important nutrients. So just 10 minutes are enough. I went ahead and removed everything from heat and allowed it to cool down for a few minutes. I did not want it to cool down for long because I don't want it to get thick. Usually when flaxseed gel cools down, it tends to be thicker and it can be difficult for you to strain out. So sometimes it's good to strain out immediately after removing it from heat, but when you are only using a strainer, not a cheesecloth. So this is how it's looking like. It's not thick and it's not runny. I just am happy with the consistency. Right now I'm going to transfer it to an applicator bottle and I will be showing you guys how to use it on my hair. So my hair is in sections. I'm going to be applying this But before I do the application, I'll be taking down each twist at a time as I apply. So I'm going to be focusing on my hair strands. So I apply from roots and I use my fingers to distribute it towards the ends and make sure that each single section is well hydrated. This treatment is very hydrating. Like I said earlier, it helps to soften the hair, provide enough hydration and moisture that your hair needs. So if your hair is dry, this is going to make it softer. It helps also to detangle because it contains flaxseed and fenugreek seeds, which are amazing for detangling. So if your hair is really dry and you are looking for something that can help soften it and detangle as well, then you should definitely try this hair treatment because it is really amazing. For me, especially on my wash days, I make it and I apply it on my hair as a pre-poo. It has really helped me um, to retain length because before my hair used to break a lot because I would just detangle my hair without anything with slip. So since the time I learned this method, my my hair has retained length and I'm really happy about that. Another way I like to use this is a leave-in. Sometimes I make it and apply it on my hair and I do not rinse it out. It doesn't make your hair feel crunchy or dry because as it dries out, it softens and some of it drips down. So um, it doesn't make your hair dry at all. But what you need to do after you apply it as a leave-in, do not leave it like that. Just follow up with your moisturizer, a leave-in conditioner, and then apply oil or hair butter to seal in moisture. So this is how I use this mixture and it has really helped me to grow my hair thick. Um, so you can also incorporate it to your hair care routine if you want your hair to grow healthy, thicker and longer. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. um, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video.